Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to share with you how to create this Jimin BTS K-pop boy band look. So I'm adding another layer of foundation. This one is actually a little lighter than what I have now. I did use the Danessa Myricks Beauty oil here, and it's a super hydrating face oil. I love it. It smells so good. It has like little gold flecks in there. You want to shake it before you use it. Use however much drops you want, and you can use it alone or with her foundations. And I'm also using her foundations. I did not get the full sizes, but these are the Vision Cream Foundation. This one is the TP01, and this shade right here is the Neutral 4.5. So I mixed these two first to apply on my skin, and it kind of acts as a base, and then I'm only using the Neutral 4.5, which is a lot lighter, with the beauty oil, and I mixed it together to create another layer of foundation. Because if you think of these K-pop singers, they do wear a lot of makeup, but they're very fair in skin tone, and also they just have this like smooth, beautiful skin texture. I'm going to apply this on my skin and just really give it a nice smooth texture and make sure that it covers everything. I'm going to use a sponge here, and this makeup sponge is going to give me a little bit more coverage in the areas where I still have a little bit of dark spot. For my next step, I'm going to use an eyebrow pencil, and this is the Revlon brow pencil, and it's a waterproof pencil, and I'm going to create like a straighter eyebrow fuller look. So I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Highliner in Earthquake here, which is a brown color, and also a Smudge eyeshadow brush. I'm going to mix the Glossier Future Dew with the Danessa Myricks face oil here, and this is going to give you more like a natural glowy dew, okay? I'm just gonna mix these two here. And you can see how it just gives me that really nice, like, glossy dew. I'm going to use this on the high of the cheekbones here. I'm ready to put on the wig. Okay, so I got this wig at a Halloween store, and it was actually a K-pop boy band wig, so let's see how this looks. Okay, do I look like a K-pop boy band? I think so. Happy Halloween! Thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a fun look that I did for my niece. She loves BTS and loves Jimin. I hope I'm saying it right, but she is in love with him and I wanted to make this look for her. So please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.